Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has categorized D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.13. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 52.4% since we first identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate 25 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.1% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 105.19% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 45.51% to 177.65%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast indicates a projected change of 208.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 59.5% to 284.95% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the anticipated future price between $25.26 and $61.13. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline: D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price down 3.93% on Thursday. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price decreased by 3.93% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, falling from $16.53 to $15.88. This marks the fourth consecutive day of decline. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.73%, reaching a low of $15.78 and a high of $17. Throughout this period, the price has experienced ups and downs, resulting in a 2.4% loss over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume also declined, which is considered a positive indicator as it typically follows the stock's trend. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 39 million shares, with a total of 47 million shares exchanged for approximately $743,550,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $19.77, while the lowest price recorded was 75 cents. Currently, the price sits at 19.66%, or $3.89, below the 52-week high of $19.77, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding D-Wave Quantum, ticker symbol QBTS, highlight significant investor interest following positive remarks from NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang on quantum computing. His shift towards optimism suggests that quantum machines could play a crucial role in solving complex problems in the near future, potentially buoying the stock further. QBTS has already made headlines with a staggering increase of approximately 1,360% over the past year, reflecting a growing confidence in quantum technology. However, competition is intensifying, particularly from established players like IBM, which raises questions about D-Wave's long-term viability and market position. The impressive rally in QBTS shares this year, nearly 87% year-to-date, showcases a speculative fervor surrounding the sector, which could lead to short-term volatility as investors weigh risks against potential technological breakthroughs. In the broader context, while the immediate reaction to prominent endorsements like Huang's tends to drive stock price spikes, sustained growth will depend on D-Wave's ability to innovate and maintain a competitive edge amidst rising rivalries in quantum computing. Therefore, while short-term prospects may appear bullish, a careful observation of market dynamics is essential for assessing long-term value. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned a buy grade to QBTS, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley again assigned a buy grade to QBTS, this time with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was reported that Needham gave QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned an overweight grade to QBTS, also with a hold action. Additionally, on Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, Benchmark rated QBTS with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal coming from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there exists a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $17.17. In the event of a decline, support can be expected from the long-term average at around $13.01. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged that could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 16.6%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically should align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 83 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 156 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $15.36, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is deemed to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.22 between its high and low, representing a change of 7.73%. In the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 10.36%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the TE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is currently operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th day of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.0575. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $16.56. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $15.36. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Nguyen Diane, who bought and sold 144,017 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 30.011. Overall, insiders purchased 45,739,834 shares and sold 87,114,739 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.88, indicating a decline of 6.29%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of June, we anticipate D-Wave Quantum to open higher by 34 cents, starting at $16.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.